guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. Go TJ. Go TJ. Go TJ. Go TJ. So y'all see this unit, y'all. I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're just gonna hop in the video. Before we go into the next part of the video, don't forget to subscribe and make sure your notifications on. And yeah, but this hair here is from Klaiyi Hair. Look good, feel good, period. Or I say look good, feel great, my bad. How it comes, this is how she come packaged. As you guys can see, you get your little wig cap. I got this little headband here. You get your little storage bag. You gotta have a silk bag to store your units in when you are not wearing them. And we got the hair here ourselves. We got our hair here. So it's Brazilian. Okay, so anyway, I'm not even showing you guys. So this is what the hair looks like straight out the package, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like, this color. Okay, the roots are brown. Now y'all know how I feel about brown roots. When it comes to roots, I like having my roots dark. It doesn't have a smell. It feels soft. Y'all already know what I say about curly hair. 9 times out of 10, I feel like wash your curly hair when you get it, but it doesn't feel like it needs a washing, you know. It doesn't have that dry or that coarse feeling to it. But this is the hairline. This is what it gives. And when I tell you they went in and did the dang thing, they did. Okay, as you guys can see, this hair is like a brown color. I wonder what it looks like underneath, I mean on against the back of my hand. So yeah, but it's HD. It's giving us HD. This is gonna be an install fresh out of the box, fresh out of the motherfucking box on period.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright guys, so this is what the hairline is giving us. Before I make any authorizations, like I said, this unit already comes pre-plucked, baby. Okay, so this is what it is. You can leave it as is and fully install it. I'm working on my plucking technique, so this is what my first well, this is what it looks like after I pluck it. So I'm just using my wigs to like practice different things, and plucking is what I'm practicing right now. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Y'all gonna have to excuse the stain or whatever that is on my shirt. I think it's a lace glue adhesive. It is a clean shirt, but it's not coming off, and I was like, I'm doing laundry right now, so I don't have any other shirt to put on, so I do apologize. I do apologize. But anyway, we're just gonna get into cutting off the excess lace. Today I decided to cut my lace off before I install it first, because I just feel like that's what I'm used to. I used to do it always in my old, like, if you guys are OG, you guys know I just recently started leaving the lace on, then cutting it off after it's installed. But anyway, I'm just switching it back up. I'm just switching things and changing up things. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And I'm just going in to clean up the part just a little bit with my favorite comb. I'm obsessed with this comb. So look at this. Look how well this blends in without even being secured down. I had to show that clip in there because when I was editing, I was like, sis, fire. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install this unit. I'm just using my Got To Be Glue spray, and I have my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. I cannot talk today. A cool heating setting. All the products that I use for this install will be listed down in the description section below as well. All right, so now that we're done installing her and she is fully installed. Why I say that twice, girl? I don't know. I'm taking my Morphe contour shade and placing this on top of the lace. I did not place any lace tint underneath the lace at all, no foundation or anything. I'm just using this color to sit on top so I can have a flawless blend. Now, I feel like I should have left this unit with no baby hairs. I think it would have been fire. Like, I don't know. I'm just not used to not having baby hairs, but I think this looked amazing. Like, look at it. For no baby hairs. Like, what?
And 5 minutes later.
All right, so now that I have let this sit, For 5 to 10 minutes. This is how the hair, well, this is what the hairline is giving us. I'm gonna place this elastic band back on while I do work on the hairline just a little bit, because I just want it to melt a little bit more. So this is another technique that I am trying out as well, or just something different, because I normally don't lay my hair down or have anything around my hairline while I'm like working with it, like hot combing and stuff. So now we're just going in with our hot comb. I did place some wax on my hair as well, and we're just gonna go ahead and get everything nice and neat and laid to the god. So after that, I'm just going to take my concealer. This is the Shape Tape. Is it? Yeah, Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to go ahead and sit that in the parting area. And as you guys can see, this makes your install flawless. Okay, it just makes that part pop. And it just makes it look very, very realistic, y'all. Very, very realistic. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. And this install, y'all, this hair and this install is just giving me life. Like, sis, y'all know I don't really do colors like that, like even browns, like, because I love my roots to be like 1B jet black, you know, but these are brown roots, so y'all know it's a little bit different for me. But I really love this unit. I really love this unit. But anyway, we're going in, y'all, with some baby hairs. Like I said, I wasn't going to do baby hairs, but I just ended up doing it anyway because I didn't really know how the no baby hair looked on camera with the lighting situation. So I just decided to add some baby hairs. I was struggling. I'd be struggling sometimes with my baby hairs. So this day it took me a little bit longer to get them how I wanted. So I put my scarf back on while I'll do my curly hair routine. The products that I use for my curly hair routine is going to be in the description section below. But I'm just going to go ahead and fully detangle her out before I get started. And I love the contrast of this unit. Like the different highlighted blondes in this unit is so freaking pretty, y'all. This is definitely like a summer vacay hair. Like this is, you will be stepping out on the scene with this hair. Like everybody, you will be breaking some necks with this unit because y'all, it is super pretty. And I definitely feel like it's definitely summer vacay. Okay, curly hair is the wave, but this color is just something different. Okay, it's something different to, if this fly don't get somewhere to the game. But yeah, I love that I did my wet hair routine, but the curl pattern is what it is. So even if you just use water and let it air dry, it's still gonna dry looking like a Jerry curl type of vibe, and I'm here for it. I am here for it.
Alright guys, so this is how the hair turns out. When I tell you guys I'm blown away, I'm mother freaking blown away because this hair is so freaking beautiful. Like, do y'all not see this goodness? This hair, I'm just completely obsessed with it, y'all. When I tell you I'm obsessed with it, I'm obsessed. This is definitely some bomb summer vacay hair. Like, imagine you in a bathing suit, or imagine you in a nice outfit. Like, this is definitely summer vacay hair. I don't care what nobody says. Definitely summer vacay hair. You can be out on the streets, on the boardwalk. You can just be, sis, definitely summer vacay worthy. I definitely would have this hair on a trip because it's so cute. It is cute. I did go ahead and pluck it just a little bit more, and I did show you guys clips of where I did that. Like I said, the hair was flawlessly plucked upon receiving it, so you didn't even have to do that. That was just something I did personally. Y'all, look at this. Now y'all know I don't do like browns. Like I had to try to lighten up my eyebrows just a tad bit just to get it to blend in with the hair, but I'm starting to fall in love with blonde, I mean not blonde, like brown roots, because it's not black, it's brown. Okay, I love the contrast of the colors of the curls. Like you got some blonde pieces, you got some darker ones, everything just flows together super flawlessly. This lace though, I don't know what it was, but I feel like this lace just melted flawlessly in my skin. I was trying a new method where I don't put foundation underneath of the lace. I just put the contour powder on top. And then melt it, and I feel like it works for me because it doesn't move the product around underneath the lace when I'm putting it on, and I just feel like it just works better. So that's a method that I've really, when I say really been loving. Anyway, like I said, I haven't washed or conditioned the hair. This hair is straight out of the pack. This is how you could get it. This is how it comes. This is just what it is, y'all. This unit came super duper soft. I was like, I don't even have to co-wash it, which made it amazing. But this hair, I did pluck it, so it did give me a little bit of shedding when I first went through to detangle the hair overall. As far as tangling, I have not received tangling yet. This is my first install. So yeah, y'all, I have no complaints about this unit whatsoever, y'all. This is one of my faves so far, y'all. I'm just completely obsessed with this unit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I applaud Klaiyi Hair. I think it's Klaiyi. Yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, don't forget to check the description section below. All information will be there. And until my next video, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.